Right now, someone is asking ChatGPT to recommend a business exactly like yours, and ChatGPT is recommending your competitor. Here's why and how to fix it. The way people find businesses has fundamentally changed. They're not just Googling anymore. They're opening ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and asking directly, what's the best accountant near me? Who should I hire for my website? And here's what most business owners don't realize. AI doesn't pull from some secret database. It pulls from the public web, your web. And if your online presence isn't built right, you're invisible to it. So what makes AI choose one business over another? It comes down to five things: how clearly your site is structured, how consistent your information is across the web, how authoritative your content sounds, whether you have technical markup that machines can read, and what your reviews look like. Miss even two of those, and you're basically asking AI to skip you. But here's where it gets practical. Step one, and this is the one almost nobody does, add schema markup to your website. Schema is invisible code that talks directly to AI crawlers. It tells them your business name, your address, your services, your hours, your reviews, in a language machines understand perfectly. Without it, AI is guessing about your business. And when AI guesses, it either gets you wrong or leaves you out entirely. Step two, build FAQ content on every page of your site, not generic fluff. Real questions your customers actually ask with direct, specific answers. When someone asks AI, how much does a roof replacement cost? It's scanning the web for content that answers that exact question. If your site says roof replacements typically cost between $12,000 and $25,000 depending on shish and materials, that's citable. That's what gets pulled into the AI answer. Be the source. Step three, your Google business profile needs to be airtight. Updated hours, current photos, at least 10 to 15. Every service category filled in, and you need to be responding to your reviews consistently. This is one of the biggest data sources AI pulls from. An incomplete profile tells AI your business might not even be active anymore. A complete one tells AI you're trustworthy and engaged. Step four, publish content consistently. AI favors authoritative voices, and authority is built through consistency. A blog post every month or two about your industry, your expertise, trends you're seeing, that signals to AI that you're a living, breathing expert, not a static website collecting dust. Proverbs 22:29 in the NLT says, "Do you see any truly competent workers? They will serve kings rather than working for ordinary people." When you show up as excellent and consistent online, AI systems treat you like royalty. They put you first. Step five, make sure your business information is identical everywhere. Your website, your Google profile, your Yelp listing, your industry directories, name, address, phone number, services, all matching perfectly. AI cross-references multiple sources. When it finds conflicting information, it loses confidence in your business. When everything lines up, it gains confidence. And confidence is what turns into a recommendation. Here's the bottom line. This isn't coming. It's already here. People are asking AI for recommendations right now, today, and the businesses that show up in those answers are capturing leads that never touch a traditional search result. Proverbs 21:5 in the Amplified says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance." This is about being diligent now before your competitors figure it out. The window is open. Walk through it. You just learned the exact framework for getting your business recommended by AI. Schema markup, FAQ content, Google Business Profile optimization, consistent publishing, and data consistency. If you want a team to implement all of this for you, go to crownmediagroup.co. We'll build your AI visibility strategy from the ground up. Link is in the description.